Somebody is very in love. I'm going to take his love away. Oh, he won't let me. Oh, he wants his love. Oh, no, she's mine. Oh, no. No, you don't. She's mine. And I'm going to keep her. No. Hello. Hello. Okay. She don't care if you whistle. I'm going to put you away because I want her all to myself. You stay over there. You can't have her. You can't have her. She's mine. Oh, no. He won't take no for an answer. Okay. Do you want her? There you go. There's your mate. Alright, we're going to have to put you over here. Jeff, how long is this video? Alright, that's it. The end. They're back together.
Bye.